Hi everyone, thanks for watching the video. In this video, we will see how to enable a manager app in Tomcat server. Okay, so first I have started the Tomcat server. So the Tomcat is up and running now. So when you click on manager app, so it's asking for the username password. And when you try to enter multiple usernames and password, it won't accept you, it won't allow you to log in. As because the login mode, I mean uh, manager role is disabled in Tomcat. So just to enable that, if you cancel that, you will be getting this error. So to enable this, what we need to do is first we need to go to the Tomcat directory, Tomcat directory. So this is the Tomcat home directory. In this Tomcat home directory, you will be having the folder called config. If you open the config folder, you will be having the Tomcat users.xml. So you have a user.xml, right? So if you go to the user.xml, open this user.xml, then user.xml. In this user.xml, just to enable the user login, you need to enable this line. You know to enable this line. So here if you see that I have enabling the user with role manager GUI. So I'm giving the password test at rate 1234. So by default it will be a must be changed. So I have changed the password to test at rate 1234. Okay. So after making the changes, just stop your server. So I have downloaded the Tomcat from the Google and I've unzipped it. I have unzipped it and now and I changing this value. So if you're installing the Tomcat, if you're using Tomcat of XAMPP, which is downloaded from the XAMPP by default, then we'll show you how to do that. Okay. So currently we're doing it the Tomcat which is downloaded as a zip file from the Google. Okay, so let's starting the server again. The server is starting. Server is starting. Yeah. Okay. It's loading the folders, root project and this manager. Now the server is completely up. Let's refresh the page now. Yeah, let's refresh the page. Yes, now. Try the manager app. Now I have given admin as a username and password as a test at the rate 1234. So click on sign in. Now we got the manager page. So from here, you can choose a file, var file, and you can deploy the projects using var file, and you can give the directory that path of your var, and you can deploy, click deploy, or you can upload and you can deploy the file. So if without this, so if you want to do it out of your Tomcat server, and definitely you need access for this server, or you should have an WinFTP or file FSTP to copy your var file. And just to restart your service, definitely you need a machine access to restart and stop and start the services. So this is a option to be enable one of the option to which we can use, and we can start redeploy the application from here. Redeploy, stop the application, redeploy, undeploy. So we have multiple options here. So this is the one option I have showed how to edit this user. So if you have downloaded the Tomcat from the XAMPP, then in the XAMPP you will be directly having the config, which is in the config folder you will have a Tomcat user.xml. So if you click on this file, it will open the configuration file like this, same as we have seen in the Notepad++, and that will be updated here. Okay, so we need to update that value, and we need to change the path. We need to change the password, and we need to restart the stop and restart the Tomcat. Then it will apply the changes. So even every change what you do in the configurations or the heap memories or any configuration, we should not forget to restart the Tomcat server. So unless until you won't restart the server, it won't take effect. Okay? Thanks for listening this time. Please subscribe.